How to remove payment method from Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can remove payment method from Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up canva.com and make sure to log in into your account. So once you land on this kind of interface, navigate to the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. From this pop-up box, click on settings. So once you're under settings, again navigate to your menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down a bit, and under payments and plans section, click on billing. So under this section you will find all of the payment method if you have added any. So from your added payment method, select the one that you would like to remove. On that payment method you will have an option to remove or delete. Click on it. Then follow the on-screen instructions if prompted to confirm your deletion process. And once you have deleted your payment method, you will no longer find that payment method in your Canva account. And if you want to add one, you could do that. That's it. That's how you can delete your payment method from Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.